In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your workflow views in HubSpot so you can stay organized, save time, and keep your automation clean and easy to navigate. If you're working with multiple workflows, different teams, or complex automations, learning how to properly manage your workflow views is a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know how to filter workflows, organize them into folders, and save custom views for faster access. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the Workflows tool. Log into your HubSpot portal, and from the top navigation bar, go to Automation, then click on Workflows. Once you click that, you'll land on the Workflows list view. This is where all of your existing workflows are stored, including contact-based workflows, deal workflows, ticket workflows, and any custom object workflows you may have created. If your account has a lot of automation built out, this page can get crowded quickly, which is exactly why managing your workflow views properly is so important. Now let's talk about filtering your workflows to stay organized. On the left side or across the top of the screen, depending on your portal layout, you'll see filtering options. These filters allow you to narrow down exactly which workflows you want to see. Some of the most common filters include Type, where you can filter by contact, company, deal, ticket, conversation, or custom object workflows. You can also filter by status, which lets you quickly see which workflows are turned on and which ones are off. This is especially helpful when auditing active automations. You'll also see filters like Created By, which is useful if multiple team members build workflows in your account. There's Workflow Team if your teams are segmented, Folder if you've already organized workflows into folders, Enrollment Type, workflows with errors to quickly spot issues, and even filters to find workflows using specific actions. These filtering options are incredibly powerful when managing large accounts. To apply a filter, simply click on Filters, choose the conditions that match what you're looking for, and your view will update instantly. There's no need to refresh the page. HubSpot dynamically updates the list so you can immediately see the workflows that match your selected criteria. Next, let's organize your workflows into folders. Folders are one of the best ways to keep your automation structured, especially if you separate workflows by department, campaign type, or funnel stage. To create a folder, go to the Workflow list view, click on Folder, then select Create Folder. Give your folder a clear, descriptive name, such as Marketing Automation, Sales Pipelines, Customer Onboarding, or Internal Processes, and then click Save. Once your folder is created, you can start moving workflows into it. To do this, select the checkboxes next to the workflows you want to organize. After selecting them, click Move to Folder. Choose the appropriate folder from the list, then confirm your selection. Just like that, your workflows are neatly categorized, making it much easier to manage them long-term. Now, let's talk about saving a custom workflow view. This is extremely helpful if you regularly use the same filters. For example, maybe you often review active deal workflows or workflows with errors. Instead of reapplying filters every time, you can save your filtered setup as a custom view. To do this, first apply the filters you want. Once your workflow list displays exactly what you need, click on Save View. You'll be prompted to give your view a name. Choose something clear and specific so you immediately recognize its purpose later. After naming it, decide whether you want this view to be private, meaning only you can access it, or shared with team, which allows other team members to use the same saved view. Select the appropriate option and save it. From now on, you can switch to that saved view instantly without rebuilding your filters. This is a massive time saver, especially for managers or operations teams who frequently monitor specific workflow segments. And that's it. You now know how to manage your workflow views in HubSpot by navigating the Workflows tool, applying smart filters, organizing workflows into folders, and saving custom views for quick access. Keeping your workflow environment clean and structured will make your automation strategy far more efficient and easier to scale. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.